So hello, so this video is going to be very important. Okay, so at this point I think most of you are starting test series or doing revision or doing test series in parallel, and this is one of the questions I have been asked, and I honestly I have faced this, so that how to handle this pressure of this test series marks. Okay, so before moving on to how to deal with it, see, but first thing we should remember is test series is practice. Okay, so this is starting of December and your exam is on February first week or second week, whatever it is. So this is where you are learning how to tackle questions, how to when you get a question, I have to remember which concept you are going to apply there, and then you have to do calculations, everything. Okay. One second. Sorry for the interruption. So the thing is, you have to for now you are learning how to apply those concepts. See, you for now you have been all of us would have been done this, learning the concepts and doing PYQs, but now when you are applying, like when you start the test, so whenever this test window will come in front of you, there will be no one to help you. Okay, so you have to see the question and understand, okay, so this question is from this particular, let's say for example computer networks, and it is asked from this data link layer. So you have to remember that data link layer concept and you have to apply and everything. So this is a tough job to do, and if you are starting just now, so obviously mock test and everything, most of the people will start now. Some super genius will be there who have started way back, but most of the people, you are one in the crowd of the most people will get into top colleges or premier institutions, so you are one of that. Okay, so don't think much about who have done this and everything. So the thing is, you have to think like this. So that is what you have to do in your test series. So now the main question is how to handle the pressure. Okay, I have been asked this a lot of times and I have faced this issue. Okay, so I'll tell you. So the thing is, what you should do after test series is done. Okay, so you will get the marks, whatever marks and whatever rank you will get, see it. Okay, just for example, just see it and then don't think much about it. Don't pressurize yourself, or don't do this, because see, that will lead to extreme bad consequences. Okay, because I am a living breathing example of that. I just remember I was telling my mother, like when I was preparing for GATE 2020, so it's not that I did not prepare, I did every possible thing I could do, but because of this anxiety issues, and I remember one of the medicine test I was taking, I got some around 34 or something marks, and I was literally depressed. Then I went out with my uncle, and the whole way, that was before corona period. Okay, so we could go anywhere freely. I did not want to go, then my mother dragged me, so you are just sitting at home, you should go out. So I went, but whole way I did not speak a word and everything. So my mind was constantly at home at my laptop, and I was thinking about the test series and everything, and that escalated from one thing to another. And if you have watched my whole video of journey, so I've told you how that went to a blunder, and see, nobody should waste a year because of this kind of depression or anything, anxiety, not depression, anxiety, or any kind of you are afraid of some exams. So you should not. Okay, so be aware of that. This can lead to, see, I am telling you, I am this living example of you. I am telling you that wasted whole year of GATE 2020. I could have easily got this rank or better rank or whatever. I would have got this, and by now I would have completed most of my masters, but I did not. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you, I have been in that situation and I have dealt with it. So please don't do this. Don't panic. Okay, so don't panic. This will lead to bad consequences, worst situation you will get into. So you have done every possible things. Okay, so try to remember the positive points. You have tried, you have done all the things you should do, you have done your best, now you have to practice giving tests. That is important. You have to practice giving tests, do revision. That is your job to do. Panicking and thinking, okay, that person is getting more marks and my friends are doing this, they are doing jobs and I am sitting at home doing work, this, and they are doing placements. So this burden you don't have to take now. Okay, think of everything in the else, everything in world else you have to think after. Whenever your exam, February, think about everything. You will get hell a lot of time and you can think about all these things, but for now your job is to revise, test, and whatever subjects you have left with, do that. Okay, so panicking will drag you down, like you are bound with a tons of weight and it will drag you down. So no good is coming from you panicking. So the thing is, you should do is, when you have submitted your test and you have got your marks and rank, forget about it. Even if it's very low, even if it's 0 or minus marks you have got, that is the worst case scenario, forget about it. Okay, so the thing is, what you should do is go question 1, then 2, like this. Whatever you have done mistake or you haven't been able to answer the question, go one by one. And what you should do is, I'm telling you, so this is your notebook. Let's say for example this is your OS notebook. You have already made notes, and now let's, for example, you have taken MedEasy test. So write the MedEasy test, write the test number here. So you can refer to test whenever it is required. So write that, which test number, and then question number. Let's say for example question number, write the question down, and then obviously solve the question first. Okay, solve the question, write your answer. Don't just copy paste from whatever solution is given, write that down. Okay, whatever solution you have found out and which is feasible for you, or if you have found any this kind of concept somewhere else, googled it out, so write that down. Okay, so that is very, very important. In this way, go one by one questions and one by one tests. So this is what you should do. Okay, so I have done this last year. So I think in one of my shorts video I have showed you how I did. So I am telling you again. So this way you should do. So let's say for example this test number and whatever topic that is, do write it down, question, and then solution. This is what you should do, and revise them, and don't just write them and forget them. Revise them time by time. Okay, so it's not that you write it down and it will be in your brain forever. So humans have tendencies to forget. So you have to revise properly those questions you have already done. Please do revise them. So this is the procedure. This is not the procedure. You have got, oh my god, I have got this rank, I am not going to get this college, not going to get anything out of this exam, and I start panicking and everything will go down. See, I am standing here, I am telling you, I am giving you my own example. If I can get something out of this exam, it's not that I have got a great rank and I have achieved a lot in GATE exam, but still if I can fetch an IIT with my score, my rank, you can do wonders. Okay, take my word for it. Okay, so what else proof you need? You have my rank, you know my story. Please do. I don't want a single person repeating the mistakes I did and see the consequences which I have to deal. So just not the consequences of not having GATE rank, but losing a father. Everything was a mess at my life. Okay, so I have been through like hell last year, and now I can say that I am in a lot of better place. Okay, and monetary wise maybe I'm not, but in like what I should say, mental wise I am in a lot better place than I ever was. So 2021 I'll be like one of the greatest year of my life, or it is the best year of my life. Not just because I have got IIT Kharagpur, because I have remained calm before this exam and I have got this some rank, somewhat good, not good rank, but somewhat rank, and whatever I have got and I achieved, and I am happy with it. Okay, so you can get even greater things. Okay, not like me, greater things, and you will be standing next year with great future in front of you. So look the bright side, don't think of negative things, and this will drag you down. So take my word for it. Okay, so what can I say more and more? and just I can keep going on and on, because this is the video which I think I can relate more, so I can talk a lot. So if you have any queries, please do reach out, mail and everything. Since my semester is over, I can help you out with the most I can. I have absolutely not much work to do other than my chores at home, but I'll try to help you out. I do reply to each and every person, and I ask that person, are you able to feel better after consulting with me? See, I'm not a therapist or anything, but with my experience, I'm telling you, every person says yes, he or she or they are feeling better, but still this is work in progress. So I hope this video reaches as many as people as possible, because this is not just for GATE computer science, this is for any general, like any GATE aspirant should know this, that panicking will drag you down. Whatever marks you are getting now, it doesn't matter. This is December 1st, this is not 1st December, I mean this is starting of December. Maybe at the end of like January end, or after 25th January, whatever marks you're getting, you can say maybe this kind of marks I will get in exam, but then you cannot say that also. Depends on the exam, like whatever, how the paper is it tough or it is easy. So I don't know how to tally. This is just for your practice, how to deal with 3 hours of time. So with time crunch, how you are able to do that, do the questions, how are you able to recall the concepts, so and the calculations using virtual calculator. So these are the things test series is making you do. Not that you have got this marks and this rank, you will get nothing. So see the bright side, there are a lot of things to learn from test series. So I have already mentioned, so using virtual calculator is very important. Using virtual calculator, if you are a person like me who does silly mistakes by doing literally very easy calculations, so if that is there, so here you have to learn how to use virtual calculator. So test series is the best way you can do that. And remembering concepts. See, if you are taking any mock test, and suppose for example in any like for example you are taking a test and you have forgotten a part. Let's say for example compiler design, you have forgotten a part of it. So if you have not taken the test, how will you remember, how will you know that you have forgotten that part? So that's it. Test series is for practice. It is not your judgment day that yes, you have got this rank and this marks, everything is over. So nothing like that. So nothing is over until you click the submit button, or even you don't have to click the submit button on your final GATE exam day. Until last second, no fate is sealed for you. Okay, so this is very important. No fate is sealed for you until the GATE exam day, and how you perform, that is important. All this is just doing your practice. Okay, so at the end of this video, I don't want to make it any longer. So if you are facing a lot of issues with your mental health, please do visit professional help. Try to find a good doctor. There are crappy ones too, so try to find a good doctor. So this is for the extreme cases, not for everyone. Okay, so a lot of people, so most of the people, we are worried, we are human beings, we are worried. So for the extreme cases, you do try to find a therapist or whatever, whichever is nearest to you, or consult online. So this is not a physical health that the person has to check your things, like whatever, I don't know about doctors much, so consult. So that is for extreme cases. But if you are in moderate area like everyone else, you are feeling this kind of anxiousness, I hope this video helps. Okay, so that's it. We'll talk about other issues. So this is, I think, the most kind of question I have been asked for a couple of weeks. So I hope this helped. I've replied to all the mails or messages. I hope this video reaches as many as people as possible, because this is very important and no one should suffer like I did. And please prepare well and keep yourself motivated. That is very important. Just don't prepare and get demotivated. Preparation and motivation, like yes, I can do it. You can, if this person, this Reshna Bose can do it, I can do much better than her. Okay, so that is very important. See you on the next video, and I hope this helped. Okay, bye.